It can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin. You might not see it in the movies, but you know it's real, because every wrinkle tells the story of the places you have been. Countless ocean hours, forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age. Learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day.
Happy birthday, Nining! 60 years old ka na gali, kabay pa nga mga damo pag nga mga birthday ang mag-aabot sa imong kabuhi para makabulig kapag sa imong mga kabataan, sa imong mga inablot kag sa imong mga kapuhan dira sa Canada. Ning! Hi Ning! Senior ka na, 60 na edad mo. Happy birthday! Tanay maglawig pa ay makabuhi up to 100 para kakuha to sa 100,000.
Ning, wishing you good health, good life, and more blessings to come. Happy 60th birthday. We love you.
Ning, happy 60th birthday, my beautiful sister. My message to you is, you've always been an incredible role model, a source of strength and a never-ending well of love and laughter. As you celebrate this milestone, may you be surrounded by this same warmth and joy that you gave to everyone around you. Here's to 60 amazing years and many more to come. I love you more than words can say. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Ning, happy birthday lang, Ning. Pasensya ka lang, Ning, kung nakarlo ko, nakapan ka di mo. Ang mahambal ko lang, tagaan kat may galawas. Ako abin Ning, kapoy, ako doon na nagayluto. Ako ko ng, di man yun New Year do ko. Happy birthday, ang nandun ng Christmas Day. Hindi ka naman. Ang ako na tala, tagaan kat may galawas. Damo pa mo birthday, imong magyan nga mag-celebrate kita ka birthday mo.
Hi Ning! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa imo Ning, gabay pa nga atagan kapagid sa mayong alawas, kato na mo pagid nga birthday, gabot sa imo nga kabuhi, gabay pa nga malipayon ka man dira sa imo nga kabuhi. Upod mo na ang mga bata, ang mga hinablos. Kag wala lang nga balaan nga ara natin mo dira sa Canada ga-star, ga-stay. Ang ko nga lang gid magpadayon lagi kung diin ka malipayon. Nakita man namon nga 60 ka na, abata, guwapa gihapon, sexy. Padayon lang sa pag-TikTok, kapag live para sexy gihapon. Happy birthday Ning, I love you, palangga gid namon. Salamat sa tanan.
Ning, happy birthday! As you enter into another milestone of your life that is turning into your 60th, my prayer for you is you will have a wonderful celebration filled with joy, laughter, and love, and mostly a healthy well-being, so that you will continue to be a blessing to everyone that you love most. Again, a blessed birthday to you, and God bless you.
Auntie, happy birthday. Wish you good health and many more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Happy birthday! Birthday, Mamita! Happy Mamita!
Happy birthday, Lola!
Kabay nga, rakapeme sa mayong lawas, Auntie. Kaya magpadayon nga maging blessing ka sa amon tanan.
Happy 60th birthday, Auntie Rowena! We miss you and we love you!
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Rowena! From
Happy birthday, Granny. God bless you and I love you.
Happy birthday, Granny. God bless you. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Nining. Gabay pangatagan ka ni Lord sa madamo pa nga birthday kang maayong lawas, Ning.
Happy birthday, Auntie Rowena.